Script for Oppo A15s 2025 review. Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we are diving into the latest budget-friendly smartphone from Oppo, the 2025 Oppo A15s. If you're looking for an affordable device with decent features, this might be the one for you. Let us break it down into its features, exterior, and overall performance. Starting with the display, the Oppo A15s comes with a 6.5-inch IPS LCD screen. The resolution has been slightly improved, offering better color accuracy and sharper visuals. While it may not match high-end AMOLED displays, it still provides a good viewing experience for videos and gaming. The refresh rate is now slightly higher, making scrolling and animations feel smoother compared to its predecessor. Under the hood, the phone is powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 processor. It's an upgrade from the previous version, offering better performance for daily tasks and even light gaming. Multitasking is fairly smooth with the help of 6 GB RAM, and you get 128 GB of internal storage with the option to expand via a micro SD card. This makes it a good choice for users who store a lot of media and apps. For the camera setup, the Oppo A15s features a triple camera system. The main sensor is 50 MP, providing decent photo quality with improved low-light performance. There is also a 5 MP ultra-wide lens for capturing more in a single frame and a 2 MP depth sensor for portrait shots. On the front, the 16 MP selfie camera ensures clear and detailed selfies, with AI enhancements for better skin tones and background blur. Battery life is another strong point of this device. With a 5000 mAh battery, it easily lasts a full day with normal usage. The device supports 33W fast charging, which is a great improvement, reducing the time needed to top up the battery. While it still uses a USB-C port, there is no wireless charging, which is expected in this price range. In terms of software, the Oppo A15s runs on ColorOS 14, based on Android 14. The interface is smooth, and Oppo has optimized the software for better efficiency. There are some pre-installed apps, but most of them can be removed. Features like app cloning, dark mode, and enhanced security options make it a user-friendly experience. Now let us talk about the exterior. The Oppo A15s has a sleek and lightweight design with a glossy plastic back that mimics the look of glass. While it looks premium, it does attract fingerprints easily. The phone is available in 3 color options, including black, blue, and a new gradient finish. The fingerprint sensor is side-mounted for quick access, and face unlock is also included for added convenience. The build quality is solid for a budget phone, but a protective case is recommended to keep it in good shape. In conclusion, the 2025 Oppo A15s is a solid budget smartphone with a good display, decent performance, and an improved camera setup. The long battery life and fast charging make it ideal for users who need a reliable phone for everyday use. While it lacks some premium features like 5G and an AMOLED display, it still delivers great value for the price. If you're in the market for an affordable yet capable device, this one is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts about the Oppo A15s in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech content. Thanks for watching FK iPhone and see you in the next one.